Okay, we got our head here. We got everything kind of sanded down. We got the mouth, the nose. We did our eyelids and our eyebrows. You can see how they stick out now since we took part of this back. So what we're going to do now is we're going to drill our holes for our eyes. We'll do the highlights on the eyebrows first. We'll use this tool here. Okay, we've highlighted this in here, so when we paint it, we can highlight the insets to make it look more like hair. So now we're going to drill the holes for our eyes, and I'm going to use a 5/8 inch drill bit here, because we've marked where we want to put them, so we're going to go just a little bit more this way. So we got that done. So what we have to do is open these up, and we're going to go into the back to cut some of this away first, so we have room to inset the eyes, and we'll be going back and forth with that until we get it set where we want it. Thanks for watching.